What's up, guys? It's your boy Krat, and welcome to my basic guide to lifting. Today I'm going to be giving you a basic guide to fitness. If you're new to working out or just want to keep things simple, I've composed 3 foundational aspects of lifting that we're going to be getting right into, and then 2 fun tips at the end that I think are just as important. So, why my credentials? What are my credentials? And what right do I have to tell you guys how to work out? Well, I bench 425. Pretty good. But in all seriousness, I have been working out for a long time, and I think I would be doing a disservice to anyone if I didn't at least share what I at least know about working out in order to help other people. I think that's the way it should be, and like I said, my goal is to share that knowledge with you in any way that's easy to follow. Rule number 1, lift weights. Pretty obvious. Strength training is foundation of fitness. It helps you build muscle, helps you get stronger, and it actually has been proven to burn fat. If you're just starting, focus on basics, squats, barbell rowing, bench press, overhead press. I can say deadlifting, but I don't recommend beginners to really get into deadlifting unless you're being coached by someone who has experience, or you're doing modified versions to support the muscle growth there. Deadlift is a very taxing exercise. I do still recommend it, like when you get more further into your fitness journey. It's a foundational compound lift. It builds every muscle. It's great for strength training. I just think not worth doing it at the start, and you should find a coach or someone who knows what they're doing to show you how to do it. Don't worry about going heavy right away. Focus on good form and consistency. And don't forget, in future videos, like I said in the bottom left here, we'll be going over weak splits, push-pull legs, rest, etc. Rule number 2, do cardio. I'll admit, I'm not the biggest fan of this part, but it is important. Cardio keeps your heart healthy and also improves your endurance. You don't have to run marathons. You can walk. Me personally, I go like 3.5 speed, 4 elevation for like 20 to 30 minutes at the end of my workout. It's just what I find works for me. Biking or even short bursts of a HIIT workout will do the trick. I think the key component here is just starting small and building from there. Rule number 3, eat protein. Protein helps your muscles recover and grow after workouts. I think some pretty easy sources of protein are chicken, eggs. For the vegan and vegetarians out there, tofu, beans, or protein shakes. Make sure you're getting ample amounts of protein throughout your day. If you're super serious about working out and building muscle, hypertrophy, all that, you can start tracking your protein intake. You can also go online. There's a calculator types that you can figure out how much protein do you need per pound of body weight. It's tailor-made for everyone. I highly recommend it. Me personally, I get a pretty ample amount of protein throughout the day, and then at the end of my workout, I have a decent sized protein shake. That's kind of how I've been doing it. I've been finding success there, but obviously everyone's their own person. And then I have 2 bonus tips. Number 4 goes without saying: rest. You don't need 75 hard or some David Goggins 365 days a year shit. As cool as it is to see, your body needs to rest. Some of us here have full-time jobs, work 30 to 40 hours a week, and a lot of your workouts might be, like, your schedule might revolve around your shifts like they do for me. Your body needs rest to recover. It's simple as that. Don't skip the gym, but also don't skip your rest days. And last but not least, have fun. Working out is meant to be, while challenging, fun for everybody. No one needs to shit on anyone else just because they work out differently or have different opinions. That's the beauty of fitness, is that, and hopefully these guides, like the message I want to get to everyone, is that everyone has their own journey. Everyone does things differently. If you can find a buddy who also has similar fitness goals, it makes the journey so much more better. It helps you get through those hard workouts and very shitty leg days. But yeah, that's probably it. I'd say have fun. And that's the end. Very short, simple workout videos. These are kind of fitness videos I want to start to make more. I don't know about actually recording my workouts, but maybe we'll cross that path in the future. You can probably see bottom left there. Next video I want to do is workout splits, so push, pull, legs, rest. Get more into that. But yeah, that's about it, guys. If you like the video, want to comment or subscribe, feel free to. And I hope you have a great day.